create Cameos selfie on Snapchat. Hello guys, how it's going? Today I'm gonna show you and share with you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open your Snapchat, then you will go directly to your profile, and on your profile open settings, and on settings we'll find here Cameos. You will click create cameo selfies, then you will add your face here, then you will click create my cameos, and then your cameo selfie will work and upload. So that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.